In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a follow-up delay in Lemlist. So first in the left panel, head over to campaigns and here open up the campaign you would like to edit. Then next at the top, head over to sequence and once inside, locate the email step where you want to add a follow-up. So as you can see, there's an add button below it. So click on it. Then next is choose email as the step type. And here click on this pencil icon to set your delay timing. So here you can define the delay for a day or more days. So specific scheduling rules depends on your campaign setup. This delay controls exactly when the follow-up email is sent after the previous action. And once set, write your follow-up message and save the step. And from there, Lemlist will now automatically wait the specified time before sending the next email in the sequence. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!